like a Hellcat.
Hi beauties, welcome back again to another episode of Queen Sophie TV. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please consider subscribing, or you coming across this video through my page, please consider liking my page if you think you like what I'm doing, and also share if you think it is necessary. Okay guys, we're back again with another topic. Of course, you already know what you're about to watch. So we're gonna be talking about why do some men cheat. Yes, you know, it is kind of funny for some people, like, what is she trying to say? Oh, is she trying to defend me? Or no, I'm not trying to defend men, but this is the fact, or this is what I think. Some men don't just cheat because they want to cheat. Some men don't just cheat because they see other men cheating. No. Some men don't cheat because they have friends who are cheating. No. But some men cheat because of the kind of wife they are married to. Some men cheat because of the kind of woman they have in the house as a wife. You know, as a woman, you have to learn to calm down. No matter the situation, no matter what is going on at that particular time, you have to learn to calm down, because it is very important. And secondly, as a woman, if you nag too much, I understand we women, we ladies, we like to nag, but if it is too much, it is bad, because too much of everything is bad. Too much of everything is frustrating. You understand? Even you as a woman, there are some things your man will do. If you see it is too much, you will be frustrated. The same thing with the men. At least they are humans just like us. You understand? So if you are a woman, you nag too much, you like to nag, you should please reduce it, because with those nagging of yours, with those complaining of yours, you are pushing that man outside. Yes, you are pushing him outside, because he will always feel, oh my goodness, if I go home now or after work, the time he is supposed to come home to spend with you, the wife and the children, he will like, no, I don't want to go home. If I go home now, this woman will start nagging again. If I go home now, this woman will start to talk again. If I go home now, I cannot sleep. If I go home, I cannot rest, you know. He will be forced to stay outside. This is the reason why I say, as a woman, if you nag too much or you complain too much, you are pushing that man outside. You understand? And thirdly, as a woman, if you are too harsh on a man, if you are too harsh on a man, believe me, you are pushing that man to another woman. Yes, because not every man have the strength to talk too much. Not every man have the strength to withstand a woman when they are talking. And most of we women, the words that comes out from our mouth, it is very, very, very annoying. You understand? So this is the reason why I said, as a woman, you have to mind the things you say out of your mouth. Because once you have said it out, it is not easy for you to take it back, because you have said it out already and you cannot be taken back. You understand? So the words of your mouth are killing some men. You understand? This is the reason why you see some men, when they just find that girl who is very quiet, who does not give them those pleasure, that pressure you are giving them, they will just feel relaxed. Sometimes it is not from their heart, because they find peace outside more than home. That is the reason why you see most of them prefer to stay outside instead of coming home after work. You will see some women who always complain, my husband don't like staying home, my husband don't like staying home, my husband don't like staying home. He don't like staying home because he don't want problem, because by the time he comes back home, you would start to talk, and when you start to talk, he cannot bear it. And some of them, if they cannot hit you, they will just go outside. And from that outside, they will start to observe one girl. They will start to observe one girl. I just need that girl that will give me peace of heart. I don't want problem. I just want to cool my head. Because there are sometimes they are tired. They have to rest themselves. But because of your talking, nagging, complaining, they will not be able to rest whenever they are home. So they prefer to stay outside. This is the reason why I said as a woman, you have to reduce the way you complain, because too much of complaint kills a man. Too much of nagging kills a man. There are some women, there are some things that, that is not even up to anything. They will take it as something. There are some things that you will just see as a joke, but you will take it very serious. You are killing your home. You are killing your marriage. There are some things that your man will do that you will just like, it is nothing. But some women, they want to fight for it. They want to fight. And when you begin to fight, before you know, marriage is broken. This is the reason why I said as a woman, you have to learn to control yourself. It is very important. I know it is difficult if it's part of you already, but you have to learn it. Because you want your marriage to work. As long as the man does not spank you, what is the need? Because there are so many women out there, they are being spanked by their husband every single day and night, but they are still in the marriage. And your husband does not spank you, but your mouth will not allow the man to have peace. Instead, he will start looking for all those small girls outside. Some of them that have not even finished washing their underwears. You see, this is the reason why I say there are some women are the cause why their men cheat. So too much of nagging can break a marriage. Too much of complaining can break a marriage. Taking unnecessary things serious can break your home, and you are pushing that man outside. This is the reason why you should be careful of the actions you take in your home. Stay blessed and see you guys on my next video.